see all the Indian culture.
سڈنی میں منعقدہ تقریب میں وزیراعظم نریندر مودی کا والہانہ استقبال کیا گیا۔ تقریب کے دوران کشمیری روایتی فوک ڈانس روف پیش کیا گیا۔ کشمیری گانے اور روف ڈانس نے سامعین کو محسوس کیا۔ واضح رہے کہ آسٹریلیا میں کشمیریوں کی بڑی تعداد مقیم ہے۔ श्रीनगर में G20 मीटिंग का ये दूसरा दिन है। G20 ग्रुप ने ग्रीन टूरिज्म को फरोग देने पर जोर देते हुए सयाहत के स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ बातचीत की। लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर मनोज सिन्हा ने राजभवन में नुमाइंदों से मुलाकात भी की।
Since eternity, Jammu Kashmir is known as crown jewel of India, and today I would like to say that it is a matter of great pride for 13 million citizens of this union territory to host this G20 meeting of Tourism Working Group that is deliberating on global architecture for sustainable tourism. Friends, Jammu Kashmir has always been a center of wisdom, knowledge, inclusive culture and breathtaking landscape that is divine to travelers. Famous poet Amir Khusro, while describing the natural beauty of Jammu and Kashmir in 13th century, had said, and I quote, "Gar firdaus barwe zamiyast hamiyasto hamiyasto hamiyast." If there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this, it is this. So it is not surprising that in the modern days, one of the oldest travel guidebook published at Lonely Planet chose to call Jammu Kashmir as Switzerland of India. Friends, for almost 30 years, this land of peaceful coexistence of almost all religious sects had to suffer state-sponsored terrorism by our neighboring country. However, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, through development schemes that empowers masses and Union Territories' effective administration, isolated the terror ecosystem which thrived with the support from across the border. Jammu Kashmir is witnessing a new era that has opened limitless possibilities of growth and peace. Now even foreign investments are also coming into Jammu and Kashmir. Green shoots of better times people are anxiously looking up to. Friends, I will run you through broad contours of our deep dive initiatives to demonstrate India's resolve that Jammu Kashmir should also benefit from the virtues of democracy like the rest of the states and union territory. Equally pertinent is that tourism cannot grow in isolation. The economics of it is fine. The tourism needs good infrastructure, sound policies and effective and responsive governance. No less fundamental to me is the fact that only peace and happiness of people can bring warmth in the hospitality we Indians eternally enjoy. And I would like to mention here that tourism in Jammu Kashmir is also a reflection of multi-religious and multicultural ethos of India.
लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर मनोज सिन्हा ने श्रीनगर में G20